up, y'all? It's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see, we are back with another makeup tutorial. Y'all know it has been forever since I have filmed one. But I don't know about y'all, but I know that I am definitely in the holiday mood, the holiday spirit, and wanted to come on here and share with you guys this really fun pink glittery glam that is perfect just in time for the holiday season. Now, this look here is 100% inspired by the Viktor&Rolf Flower Bomb fragrance, which I am so amped up to partner with them for today's video because this fragrance, you guys, is everything. Okay, this is the perfect, not only the perfect everyday fragrance, but it's also the perfect holiday fragrance. Okay, because when I say that this just makes you feel luxurious, makes you feel sexy, and honestly makes you feel empowered as well, because this fragrance is literally just one big bouquet in a bottle. Okay, so this fragrance here has the most amazing notes of jasmine, orange blossom, and patchouli. And fun fact, you guys, one bottle of Flower Bomb actually has 1,000 flowers in it. So you know that once you spray, you're gonna get a huge whiff of just the most beautiful floral aroma that I'm telling you will just have you feeling yourself, okay? Also, in case you're wondering kind of what family this fragrance falls in, this fragrance here falls in the warm and spicy. So like I said, it really gives you that like sexy, luxurious, you know, empowered, you know, just really funky kind of vibe. I really love this bottle because not only is the fragrance amazing, but the bottle itself is just the most beautiful bottle to have in your collection. If you are all about all things, you know, aesthetic, then you want to have this bottle in your collection. They have a really beautiful limited edition holiday design. So here's the actual bottle design that you have for the holidays. And then it comes in the most beautiful box as well. So whether you want to go ahead and just sit this on display, you know, in your collection, or actually use it, you know, on your vanity, definitely go ahead and grab the holiday collection because just look at how luxurious. I mean, like literally, I don't know if it's just me, but I just love all things, you know, very aesthetically pleasing, you know, things that can serve a purpose for, you know, practicality where you can actually use it, but also have it on display for, you know, the whole vibe. So like I said, for today's video, I'm creating this really pretty pinky, purpley, glittery glam inspired by this fragrance here. And this fragrance and this makeup look here is literally the perfect combo for the perfect holiday look. Whether you're going to be doing, you know, your holiday festivities over Zoom, whether you'll be doing small gatherings in person, safe gatherings, but whether you'll be doing, you know, small gatherings in person, or even just on a holiday date night, this is what you want to do right here. Okay, this fragrance and this makeup look is the perfect combo. If you want to see how to achieve this look here, keep on watching. Hope we all enjoyed this tutorial, and I will catch you guys at the end. All right, you guys, so as y'all can see, I'm starting off with a fresh face. First, going to go ahead and prime my skin using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know how much I love this one. It is a perfect primer to, you know, really grip on that foundation and keep it in place all day. I like to double prime, so I like to apply the Hydro Primer all over and then go in with the blur stick just to, you know, blur out my larger pores. Okay, and then before foundation, I'm going to color correct. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay color corrector, and it's applying that to basically anywhere that I have dark spots. I'm going to go ahead and just apply that there and just blend it out with a small stippling brush. Now for foundation, I'll be using the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation in the shade 460 Suede. You guys know this is my favorite foundation. Actually, scratch that, it's my all-time favorite foundation. I love, love, love this one. And as you guys know, I always recommend that you guys stipple the foundation in versus swiping it because it just leaves a much, much, much cleaner finish. And then after I blend it out with a brush, I always go in with a beauty blender just to remove any excess product and also press that foundation into the skin. Now to further highlight, I'm going to go ahead and take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and apply that to areas I typically tend to highlight. So that's under my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead. And then I have really been into reverse contouring lately, so I always apply a little bit of concealer underneath my, you know, cheekbone just to really make my cheeks pop. If y'all want full glam, then you definitely need to start reverse contouring. Okay, and then to cream contour, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place foundation stick. This is in the shade, I can't pronounce it, so I'm going to actually leave the name of it down below in the description box. But I apply that around my forehead area and of course to my cheekbones, and then blend that out softly with a small foundation brush. And of course, I pretty much blend until I don't see any harsh lines. The key here, especially when it comes to cream, highlight, and contour, you want to blend it really, really, really well until you can't see any harsh lines anymore. Now on to setting that highlight. So you guys know how much I love, love, love the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So I'm going to take that and apply that to all the areas that I applied that lighter concealer. One of the things that I have been doing for almost this entire year is I have actually been applying 2 layers of powder. So I always apply a very thin layer first to set the concealer in place and really lock it in. And then I apply, you know, a heavier layer on top of that to bake. And then of course I go in and set my entire face with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. And then I go in and set that cream contour, that cream bronzer with the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW48. And of course, can't forget to, you know, set that reverse contour with a little bit more of that Laura Mercier powder. Now for my brows, I'm just doing my usual routine. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Chocolate. And you guys know I always outline the bottom, outline the top, and then softly fill in, you know, any sparse areas. And then my go-to product to clean up my brows is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil in the shade Base 3. Now on to the eyes. So as I mentioned earlier, I wanted to do a really pretty pinky, purpley, silver glittery look. I don't really know what to call it, but I wanted to definitely incorporate some glitter and some pinks and purples into this look to, you know, get that really nice holiday vibe going on. So I'm actually going to be using the Juvia's Place Walhalla 2 palette, and I'm using a couple shades from the palette. So I'm first going in with the shade Yab and Too Much and applying that to the crease for this nice soft pop of pink. And then to further deepen the crease, I wanted to really, really, really get that pink to pop. So I'm going in with the Juvia's Place, the Sweet Pinks palette, and taking that center shade just to intensify the pink. And then for the outer edge, I want to kind of deepen it up just a little bit. So I'm taking the shade ASAP from that same Juvia's Place Walhalla 2 palette, and it's applied just a little bit of that shade on the outer corner because that shade is a little bit harsh. So you want to use a really, really light hand with that shade and kind of build up as you go. And then for the lids, I want to incorporate, you know, that silvery, you know, vibe. So I'm taking the shade Greed from that same Juvia's Place Walhalla 2 palette, and it's packing that all over the lid with a flat brush, and of course blending out the edges with the combination of the shades Yab, Too Much, and ASAP. Again, the key here, you guys, is to get everything to really blend and, you know, look really nice and seamless. Okay, so this is kind of where the look took a left turn. I went in with the shade Gobe. I think it's pronounced Gobe or Gobe, however you pronounce it. I applied that all over the lid, and it is a pressed glitter. But you guys, I did not realize that the pressed glitter was so thick and chunky, and it was like kind of sticky also. So it's like once it was on the lid, there was no way for me to disperse it. So I'm kind of trying to fix it right here, but just wait until the end, and I promise it'll come together. But no lie, the pressed glitter was a little bit of a hassle to work with, but I love the end result because it definitely gives that holiday vibe. It's definitely an adjustment though. After I went ahead and applied that onto my lids, I'm going to go ahead and just blend out those edges just to make sure that everything is nice and seamless, because you guys know a good makeup look is all about blending, blending, blending. Now I'm going in with the shade Too Much to my lower lash line. I did also pop on a lighter nude or light beige liner into my waterline, but that nice pop of pink on the bottom lash line is what I really wanted to make this look, you know, look very, very floral, okay? So for my lips, I'm taking the KKW Beauty Nude 2.5 Lip Liner. You guys know how much I love this one. And then I'm topping it off with the shade Mademoiselle on my lips. You guys, this is the most beautiful velvety matte lipstick from Juvia's Place. I absolutely love it. So it's just a really soft pink shade, and then further define my lips with the MAC Chestnut Liner. And then of course, can't forget to pop on some falsies, because falsies just really brings a full glam look all the way together. Can't forget to further contour my nose, you know, blend out any harsh lines, and of course add on a soft rosy blush to the cheeks. You guys know this is my go-to, the Milani Coral Cove blush. It's my favorite. I love it, and it's added that to, you know, the apples of my cheeks. And then what I did is I actually went ahead and took a Q-tip to kind of blend out the pressed glitter. You guys saw how chunky it was, but taking a Q-tip and kind of blending it out really made a huge difference. And now I love how it looks. Can't forget to set the brows with some clear brow gel, and of course apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And then for my finishing powder, you guys know how much I love the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade Medium. Just going ahead and setting my under eyes, my forehead, and my chin with that powder just to, you know, really brighten those areas. And then taking this new highlighter from Wet n Wild. It's the Hello Halo Highlight Blush and Highlight Duo, and it is beautiful. It's in the shade I Met Someone, and you guys just look at like the really soft, effortless glow that it gives. It's like perfect for this holiday season. To top off the lips, I'm taking the Colorpop Metallic Lip Gloss in the shade Tight Fit. And of course, you can't forget to top off the look with a spray or a few of the Viktor&Rolf Flower Bomb fragrance. I'm telling you guys, it smells amazing, and it is the perfect addition to this holiday look. All right, guys, so here is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial on this full glam makeup look here, inspired by none other than the Viktor&Rolf Flower Bomb fragrance. Again, you guys, this look here and this fragrance here is the perfect combination for this holiday season. And in my opinion, this is going to be the perfect gift for your mom, your sister, your aunt, a coworker, anyone on your list. Go ahead and pick up the Viktor&Rolf Flower Bomb fragrance at us.viktor-rolf.com. Again, I'll leave the link down below to check it out. But that is pretty much it for today's look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.